replacing the stoplights. One of the bulb there is busted, so when I turn on the brake, when I press on the brake, I get a message to check stoplights. So looking at it, yeah, this one is busted, the other one is okay. The other side, both of them are working fine. So pretty much have to open your back where the battery compartment is, then take out this foam thing, then there's a clip down there here, and you will open it, and you'll see like a large bolt here, hex bolt. Yep, you loosen that up. Same thing on this side. Once you loosen that up, the tail light will become loose. And then you're kind of surprised that Volvo changed their design to a wired one instead of using the printed circuit board or the metallic circuit board style. Yeah, I think this is way better than over-engineering it. Changing the bulbs on this one, you just like twist it and probably same bulb as this one, maybe. Should be correct. The bulb with one hand. Just plug it in. There's no orientation.